We can perform basic logic in our SAS files using the if directive. So for example here we've got this mixin just to set the font size, and in the body here we're including this mixin and setting the font size to 20. And in the header here we're setting the font size to 0. So for example we could have made a typo here. If we look in the HTML, we've got this header 1 here with the word if in it, but because we've accidentally set the font size to 0 here, we won't see it displayed. So here we can see the font size for heading 1 has been set to 0, so we don't get the if text. So if we wanted to ensure that when this mixin was used, that the value was always greater than a certain amount, we can use the if directive. So let's go and change our mixin now to contain an if. So here we're just saying that if the size that we've been supplied as a parameter here is less than 5 pixels, then we'll execute these items here. So if a font size of less than 5 pixels is supplied, we're essentially going to default the font size to 5, and then we're using a warning here just to tell us that we've done something wrong. And we've got an else here, so if the font size is not less than 5 pixels, then we'll set it to whichever size has been supplied. So if we run this now, we'll see our heading with a default size of 5 pixels, which is very tiny up here in the top left. If we just hit save and then have a look at our debug output, we can see that we've got this warning here again, telling us that we've defaulted the size to 5 pixels.